Sairam children, welcome to EVS class. How are you children? Children, we will start the class by chanting Omkaram. Okay. Sairam children, in the last video we were discussing about the vehicles that the children traveled in during their vacation. Isn't it children? Today we will continue that part. Okay. Let me to take the textbook. Is it visible children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Page is
Okay, right, fine. Okay. See, yesterday we discussed all these things, isn't it? Some children traveled during their vacation, in different vehicles. So, in the next page, you have to write which all vehicles did the children travel in. You have to search it from here and write the name of the vehicles. Here, bus is here, metro is here, isn't it? Car, aeroplane. So you can write it here. Here the blanks are given. You have to fill up these blanks. Next question is, how would you choose to go from your house to the places written below? Write in the box. Suppose this is your house. Okay. From your house, how do you reach the market? On foot, bicycle. So you can write here in the box. Here. From your house to your friend's house, your nanny's house. Across the sea. Sea is here. Okay. It is not visible. Across the sea. Across a river. Relatives. I want to see it from the textbook. Some parts are missing here. Okay. Relatives who live in hilly areas. Here it is relatives who live in hilly areas. Okay. Now school. So you have to choose Gus and write here. Choose the correct answer and write here. Okay children. This is a homework for you. Now next part. See. Some pictures of vehicles are given, isn't it? Right in front of each picture what the vehicle is used for. So we have to write the uses of these vehicles. In the spaces provided, draw the pictures of some other vehicles also. Here you have to draw 2 more vehicles. Okay children? Write their names and what they are used for. Are all these vehicles used for our travel? So we have to discuss one by one. First vehicle, that is, have you seen this vehicle? Yes, we have seen it. It is a cart. It is used for carrying the goods like fruits, isn't it children?
vegetables also.
Vegetables like bricks also. So this vehicle is a cart. It is used for carrying goods. Have you seen this one? Yes, this is a mail van. It is used in the postal purpose only. In post office, the this vehicle used to carry the courier like parcel, email, letters. Okay, children. So this is the vehicle, that is the van, mail van, is in postal purpose. Okay, children. Now next one. This is the wheelchair cycle. We can see the chair here and also wheels. This is a cycle. Okay, wheelchair cycle. This is used by the disabled people, those who cannot walk. They use this vehicle to move from one place to another place. Okay, children. Next one. What is this you have seen? Yes, it is a
Tractor.
tractor. Yes, it is generally used in the purpose of farming. Okay, but we have seen that this tractor is used to pull the trolley also. Have you seen like that?
Yes,
While
ma'am.
traveling, you can see, yes, the tractor is pulling the trolley to carry the objects and things. Okay, goods. Okay, very good, very good. See, what is this? It is a bus, but it is a double-decker bus. Have you seen this bus? We can see this bus in cities. Okay. Okay. So, what is the use of it? It is used to carry the passengers, isn't it? So, the use of this bus is to carry passengers. Now, have you seen this vehicle? Yes,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
an ambulance. Okay. Suppose somebody is not feeling well in very serious situation, then we can call the ambulance. The ambulance will carry the patient to the hospital. So emergency purpose, we can call this ambulance. Okay. Next, you can draw two more pictures here and you can write the uses in your own sentence. Okay, children? Are you ready to draw? And you can give color also to make it beautiful. Okay, children? And write their uses also. Now, we are going to the worksheet part. Is it visible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 11. Yes.
Yes.
Visible.
Chapter 11 from here to there. Say, children, I have given some examples of vehicles that run on petrol or diesel or gas. What are the answers given? You can write your own also. I have given some examples also. Only bus, car, motorcycle, truck. Okay. Now, the vehicle that run by electricity. Electricity. Yes. Train, metro, rail. Now, next one is driven by animal. The animals pull the vehicle to move. Bullock cart. In bullock cart, bullocks or bulls pulls the cart. In camel cart, camel pulls the cart. Horse will pull the cart. So, these are the animals pull the vehicles to move. Okay. Now, has two wheels. Here, bicycle, it has two wheels, motorcycle, bullock cart. Have you seen a bullock cart? Yes, we can see bullock cart in where? Villages. The road is kacha, so they use bullock cart. It is very easy to move from one place to another place. And they can carry the goods also. Okay. Now, have three wheels. Auto rickshaw. Have you seen auto rickshaw? Yes, we simply say auto, but it is auto rickshaw. Now, have four wheels. Car, jeep, van, all these vehicles have four wheels. Sorry. Next, have more than four wheels. Train, metro, rail, all these vehicles have more than four wheels. Okay, children. Now, I will give you one. I will show the sheet first. It was from the textbook. I forgot to show. Okay, first we will see the Tata class. Okay, after that we will again come back to our textbook. I forgot to show one page. Okay, first we are going to the Tata class. Let me give the school's name. School's name. Username is here. Let me give the password. Let it come. Okay, it's okay. This is our class. We are going to this one. Animals used for transport. Let us see a video. Is it visible, children? The picture? One toy car, house,
Yes,
one
ma'am.
tree.
Ma'am,
Okay.
plate
Yeah.
करके
Okay. Let me
बताइए,
put.
plate करके बताइए.
Okay.
In cities,
Okay.
we travel by buses,
Audible,
trains,
audible.
cycle, or
Okay.
we walk. But in some places, we need animals for transport and to carry things. People in places like deserts, mountains, and forests often use animals to carry loads and to go from one place to another. Let's see how people use animals for transport. Click each animal to learn more.
Let us click these animal wolves. Okay.
In villages where we have kacha roads, people travel by bullock cart. In the desert lands of Rajasthan, I can travel on a camel. Camels walk very fast in the desert.
This is camel. Okay, children. Next one.
Look at this horse. It's pulling a tonga. Horses gallop very fast and can take us to any place very quickly.
Okay. Tonka or camel cart. Okay, children. Next one.
Mules are good climbers and can carry heavy loads too. They are used for carrying people and goods in hilly regions.
Hilly areas, people use mules. Okay. Next one.
In the forest, elephants are used to carry heavy logs of wood. I can also ride on an elephant when I go on a wildlife safari. So, that's how animals help us travel.
Okay, children, did you enjoy? Now, one quiz part is there. Let
Ma'am,
us see.
ma'am,
You have to participate.
excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am. Tonga is horse cart,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Tonga means horse cart.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Now, quiz. First question. Okay. Now, which mode of transportation will you see inside a city? Inside a city. Aeroplane, ship, bullock cart or bus? It may be bus. Let us see. Let me submit it. Yes, our guessing is correct. Second question. Which of these statements is not true? It is not correct. Okay. Animals have been used by man for transportation for thousands of years. Animals are not used as transport anymore. Animals are still used for transportation in many countries. Some places where animals are still used include India, Africa, and the Middle East. Which one will be the correct one? Maybe this one. We all use animals, isn't it? So animals are not used as transport anymore is written. So let us click this one and see the answer is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. Now third one. If we were moving house and had to send all the furniture and goods from one city to another, which of these mode of transport will you choose for transporting all the goods and furniture? So which one? Is it possible the auto rickshaw? This one? This one? No. So which one will be the correct answer? Maybe this one. Let us take. Yes. So submit. Yes, it is correct. So truck can be used for uh, transporting goods. Okay. Furniture. Okay, children. Next one. What is the purpose of the mode of transport shown in the picture? This is the picture. What is the purpose? To transport only animals? To transport only people? To transport only goods? To transport both goods and people. Goods mean things and people. So which one may be the correct answer? This one. Let us see. Yes, submit. Yes, it is correct. Next one is, which of these animals shown below are used for transport? Have you seen these animals we are using for transporting things, goods? No. So let us click this one and submit. Yes, it is correct. So we use bulls to pull a cart. Okay, children. Now let me to log out this. I want to take the textbook again. Let me take the textbook, please, children. One page is remaining. Let me take. Yes. See, name of some vehicles are given in the center of a wheel. This is a wheel. The center of the wheel, we can see the name of vehicles like bus, bullock cart, scooter, rickshaw, car, metro rail, train, boat, truck, bicycle, and motorcycle. Okay, now join these on one side to the number of wheels, and each vehicle has, and on the other end join them to what is used to run. So here this part, this right hand side, we can see the vehicles that run on petrol or diesel or gas, run by electricity, driven by animals, driven by humans. This part. And other part, the number of wheels, 2 wheels, 3 wheels, 4 wheels, or more than 4 wheels. So this is a work for you. You can do it. First, you take this one, bus. Bus runs on, yes, petrol or diesel or gas. This is the one. And how many wheels? Generally, a bus has 4 wheels. Then you observe while traveling, you can see many buses running on the road, and so that time you can observe it whether some buses have 4 wheels or more than 4 feels. You observe it. Okay, children? Like that, you can do this work. Okay, children? Okay. See, now I am going to stop today's class by Shanti Part. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children. Take care. Bye bye.